In last video, as I told you about polarity of charges, first one I told you about positive charge, and in second one I told you about negative charge. Here it can be considered as charges of the same polarity. Repel to each other, while the charges of the opposite polarity attract to each other. Means if you have same charge polarity, they repel to each other. While opposite polarity charge they attract to each other. It is the property that if you have the polarity of same polarity charges, they repel to each other, while the charges of the opposite polarity they attract to each other. Same order, same polarity, then they repel. Opposite, then they attract. After this, the procedure is causes of charging. How does we produce, how does we get the produced charges? Means cause of charging. Cause of charging is the responsible factor for the charging of a body's electron. The responsible factor for the charging of a body's electron. I repeat again, the responsible factor for the charging of a body is electron. In the same case when we rub two insulators, one of them sacrifice the electron, and in same phase one sacrifice electron and one accept the electron, means achieve the electron. Or you can say in same phase which one donate electron and which one gain electron. So which donate electron, that is the positive, and which achieve, that is the negative polarity. How it is produced? How does we get the produced polarity? Means in the same phase, means you rub two insulator, you rub two insulator. In this one of them sacrifice or donate electron, and one of them, because here two insulators, one of them sacrifice or donate electron, and in same order one of them achieve or gain electron. One donate or one sacrifice. One donate means one sacrifice, and one achieve or gain. As one of the insulator sacrifice, that got the positive charge, and sacrifice got positive charge, sacrifice insulator positive charge, and achieved insulator body negative charge. In the same phase, as you little about read cathode and anode, which one is the positive, which one is the negative, same phase here, which one sacrifice or donate electron, that is a positive specifies charge, and which accept the electron, that is called the negative charge species. So we can consider as one of the here the it is denoted charge is denoted by q. If polarity charge is positive, then we denote by plus q. If polarity charge is negative, then we denote it by minus q. And one fact is that